Freezing green beans is a great way to preserve their freshness, so here's a simple step-by-step guide. I'll leave it in the description as well. What you'll need: fresh green beans, a large pot, ice water, a baking sheet, freezer bags or containers. All right? Now, here's the steps. Number 1, wash the beans. You got to rinse the green beans under cool water to remove any dirt. Number 2, trim the ends. Cut off the stem ends and any damaged part of the beans. Number 3, blanch the beans. So you bring a large pot of water and you add it to a boil. Then you add the green beans and you let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right? Now, this helps preserve their color and the flavor. Now, for the ice bath, prepare a bowl of ice water. Once the beans are done blanching, quickly transfer them into the ice bath. This stops the process of the cooking, so let them cool down for about 5 minutes. Number 5, drain and dry. So you remove the beans from the ice water and you dry them with a towel. Number 6, you flash freeze. You spread the beans in a single layer on a baking sheet. You place them in the freezer for about a couple of hours until they're frozen. Number 7, you package and store. So once it's frozen, you transfer the beans from the freezer bags or containers and you remove as much air as possible before sealing them. Label them with the date in the freezer so you know when you did them. And now you can enjoy your green beans all year round.